guys, back to doghouse today. I bought myself a vacuum modulator. I'm going to put this in the truck, see if it works. I sure hope it does. So I want to take this out for a little ride, but I found another problem. So it's always another problem. I started up yesterday and the throttle is sticking. It's like sticking high RPM. I got to put my foot behind the gas pedal, pull it back. So I don't know if it's the gas pedal or the linkage or what, but it just seemed to like it's not one thing, it's another. Just this truck doesn't want to go on the road. But anyway, I'm going to mess with it today and see if I can get it going. But first, I want to put this in. First things first. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, let's get underneath there and let's see if we can change something. Well, here's the old one. Here's the new one. Look at the difference in size. Wow. Just check, make sure everything else is the same. Yeah, appears to be. To see about getting that O-ring out of there. That's an O-ring. There, that just butts up against here. You can see in the there's the seal. I'll just put that little clamp on and that's it. If I had two hands or another hand, I'd show you, but I don't, so I'll bring you back. Okay, I got the new modulator in. To get this little hose here with it. I'll put that on and I'm going to put a hard line in. I'm not going to use this line here. I'm going to use a steel line. So anyway, I'll get that steel line bent up, get it in, and then we'll clean up and take it for a ride. Well, I got it in. Here's my new valve. Here's the rubber. It comes with this rubber elbow here. And then here's where I switched over to the metal line. It just goes up beside the motor. And I got it all bent at the top. Now I'll just have to secure it down so it's not rattling around. And that's it. Well, guys, I got the vacuum modulator in, so I'm going to take it for a test drive and see if the gears are going to shift. Anyway, here we go. So guys, I'm happy. We got 1, 2, 3 reverse. Everything seems to be fine. So I guess I'll shut her down for the night and back out tomorrow. See what else we can do. So anyway, thanks for hanging around. Thanks for all your help. I really appreciate it, guys. That's the way it's been for this whole build, right from very first day till now. Just all you guys just pitching in, give me your advice and give me your support, and we finally got it going down the road. So anyway, I'm not done this build yet, and when I do get this one done, I'll be working on the Buick. I'll probably end up doing both. Hey guys, I'll wrap it up for the night. All's good now. I got that modulator in, followed your advice as usual, and for 28 bucks we got it all sorted out. It's shifting gears the way it's supposed to be shifting. The shift is nice and smooth. There's no clunking, and don't have to go a million miles an hour in order from the shift gears. So I'm happy, and I want to thank you guys again for all your advice, all your tips, and say we'll wrap it up for tonight, and we'll get at it again tomorrow. So bye now.